Betty told Dupree, I want a diamond ring. Dupree said to Betty, honey, I'll get you most anything. Said, lay down, little Betty, we'll see what tomorrow brings. Lay down, little Betty, see what tomorrow brings. Well, it may bring you sunshine, it may bring you a diamond ring. So he got himself a pistol, it was a 44. Got himself a pistol, it was a 44. You know, to get that diamond ring, he had to rob a jewelry store. But the police, they caught him, took him to an Atlanta jail. Yeah, the police, they caught Dupree, took him to an Atlanta jail. He cried, please, little Betty, won't you come and go my bell? She came to see him, his face she could not see. Yeah, she came to see her Dupree, his face she could not see. She said, please, Mr. Jailer, won't you give him this note for me? I was there to see you, Dupree, I could not see your face. I was there to see